enough of that. Hey guys, what's up? It's Amy. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, then hey girl! Please subscribe if you would like to. If you like my content, if you want to see more of this face, you should also hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload. I upload on Mondays and Fridays, in case you were wondering. Otherwise, you'll never see me again because YouTube's kind of weird that way. So basically in today's video, I have some exciting news. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video today. So I got sent this big package. Yes, you have that right. It's a Nike sign. But it actually wasn't sent by Nike. It was sent by a family friend of mine. So the unboxing is still legit. I'm unboxing these Nike shoes. I haven't been sponsored by Nike yet. Yet. That is the key word, yet. But don't worry, big things are coming. We will get there. It's just one pair of shoes, but not any pair of shoes. I got ordered some slides. And if you know me, like if you know me, if you could see what I have on all the time on my feet when the camera is off, even right now currently, it's always a pair of slides. Like I'm not even joking. These are Puma slides. I got them from like Ross for $12. But that's not what we're talking about today. Ever since I've gotten those pair of slides, I feel like I have just fell in love with slides because literally it's the laziest thing you can do for yourself. Like literally, if you have to go somewhere, you gotta be at the house, you don't even have to be in a rush. Or just lounging around the house, like house slippers, or just like if you're that type of person, because I'm definitely that type of person who doesn't like to walk around the house barefoot and get my feet dirty, I'll either walk in some socks or I'll put on my slides, because literally those are my go-to shoes. And ever since I got my first pair of slides, which are these that are on my feet, I have not worn any other shoe. I mean, I have, but barely. Thank you so much. Shout out to Eric, because this unboxing is brought to you by him. I'm so excited. You know, when this box came to my door, I was like, did Nike really just send me something? I had forgotten that I had like ordered it. Aha! Oh my gosh, look at this. Yo, literally the whole thumbnail right here. Let me back this up real quick. I think this is where you open it. Ooh, these are fresh. Look at that. Ooh, look. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, they're so lit out. It's perfect. Oh, they smell like new shoe. Oh, these are so awesome. Look how lit out they are. Oh my gosh, this would fit my feet perfectly. So let me see if you can like see this detail. Okay. Basically, this is what we're working with right here. Oh yeah, get it. Oh, it's blurry. Okay, yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that pattern right there? That's clean. You see that? I'm really doing some free advertising for Nike right now, so you're welcome. Just realize that. But I mean, we're doing free advertisement every day, because now I think of it, even after this video, I'm wearing the shoes and it says the brand right there. I mean, nothing wrong with that. I'll rep Nike. I'll rep them. You know, they'll find me one day. Okay, so it has, oh, what is this material? This is so nice. Bro, what is this called? Oh, it has like a cushion on the inside of it too. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like foamy kind of. It's got the check mark on the back, the classic check mark on the front, of course. You already know. Clean. I wanted the logo part on the foot, the front of the foot, to be white. I didn't want the pink ones. But that's just because I wanted them to be able to go with like literally every outfit. I wanted it to be like a solid black strap, but they ran out of the ones in my size for that. So this is the next best one I thought would look nice, and it actually does. Oh, that's cool. Look at what it does in the light. I didn't even realize that. I don't know the functionality of a slide. I just know it looks cool, okay? Okay, so I wear a size 5 shoe. Sometimes a 6. Like sometimes I can fit to a 6. But that's about like the largest we go, okay? We're comfortably at a 5, 5.5. That's our nice space area. 6 at the most. Anything past that, we are slipping out of. We can't fit. It's gonna come off. We're too little. It's the way God made me. I guess on the website they retail at $25. Thanks again, big brother, the family friend, Eric. for thinking of me and caring about me enough to give me a new pair of shoes. Now for the moment we have all been waiting for.
Oh my god, I almost fell. Wait, hold up.
Woo! What? Oh my gosh, they're so snug. But why are these so cute? Oh, this is so nice. Okay, now we know that no shoe game / unboxing is ever complete unless you have white toes for hoes. Now, I know, I said it. Yes, I need to paint my toes. Not only does it add to the aesthetic, but we can't be out here repping Nike with no unpolished toenails.
Oh no!
Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you guys that watch my videos. Follow me on all my social medias. The link will be in the description box down below as well as somewhere here on the screen. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and like it. That's the exact same thing. From yours truly to you, I'm Amy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much again. Okay, bye guys.